Ayun, si Banchoten, dumating na siya. Ayun, pakikita ko sa inyo. Ayun, 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 ayun. Ayun, ayun, ayun. Tumabi siya kay Dina. Sa car ni Dina. Din sayang si Ronald. Dumating. So here we are in Virne. Ayun, magpapark siya doon. Magkatabi yung dalawang sasakyan. Tingnan natin siya. Ayan. Tagal naman bumaba nun. Tagal bumaba.
A few moments later.
There he is after 10 minutes. When you have a cheater boyfriend or husband, it's like this. I also want to share experience. You need to stay in the car for 10 minutes before he come to you. Yan. Kasi he need to erase all the message, he need to call or he need to text yung mga ka-chatmate niya. And you see the difference when he came. You see that in my live video. And it took some 10 minutes. Ayun, naiwanan niya. May naiwanan pa. Actually, I'm here in the hotel waiting for him. As you see. So, paano ka magkakaroon ng gana with a partner like that? A lot of experience are in the Netherlands actually. With cheaters. Boyfriend, husband. And yeah, I've been through for 9 years. Ayan o. Before he come off after work or if he go somewhere, he will stay in the car to erase all the messages or to message somebody or to call somebody. And now here is coming. O, diba? Oh, so you see the difference, how many minutes on my live. That's the cheater coming up. Ayan siya, oh. Luckily, he can drive. May pakinabang. But he also drive me crazy most of the time. Drive and drive me crazy.